Hello guys. So in this video we will understand keywords used in C programming language. So what are these keywords? So keywords are nothing but reserved words. That is, it has some predefined meaning in the code. So these are few examples of your predefined word. That is, these are the words that are already having some meaning. So if I use break in my C program, compiler understands some meaning. Okay, if I use case, so compiler understand what set of operation it should do when it sees comes across this word. Like just an example, like how we have addresses, we have address for our home, right, in which we cannot use Bangalore or we cannot use any other state name as our street name. Why? Because that is a predefined meaning. We cannot give any other pin code. Why? Because it has a predefined meaning. It should be 6 characters, it should have 6 digits, it should start from 560, so example, so on, right? So that is the example here. So these already have some predefined meaning. So if I use break in my code, it actually means something. So I cannot use this word whenever wherever I want because it has a predefined meaning. So these are examples of 32 keywords that are present in C programming language.